Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to unarchive a post on Instagram. Getting archived posts back on Instagram allows you to restore valuable memories and content to your profile, making them visible to your followers again. So let's start the video. To show an archived post again in your Instagram profile, open Instagram app. Next, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three vertical lines in the top right corner. Under How you use Instagram, tap on Archive. Now tap Stories Archive at the top. Then tap Post Archive from the drop-down menu. Now tap the post you would like to show on your profile. So this is our post. Tap on it. Now tap three vertical dots in the top right corner and then select Show on Profile. Again tap on Show on Profile to confirm. Your post is now restored and back on your Instagram profile. So that's how to get archived posts back on Instagram. Thanks for watching.